Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I just received my new Mac Mini late 2018. I ordered the Core i7, 3.2 GHz, with a 512 GB SSD. The RAM capacity is at 8 GB, but I will upgrade it later to 32 GB. The Mac Mini Core i7, 3.2 late 2018 is in space gray. Technically is a configure-to-order option for both the Mac Mini Core i3, 3.6, late 2018, and Mac Mini Core i5, 3.0, late 2018. Other than the processor, this model can be identical to its stock counterparts. The Apple Mac Mini Core i7, 3.2, late 2018/space gray, features a 14nm Coffee Lake 3.2 GHz Intel Core i7, 8700B processor with 6 independent processor cores on a single chip, a 12 MB shared level 3 cache, 8 GB of user upgradable 2666 MHz DDR4 PC4-21300 SDRAM, 128 GB or 256 GB of onboard C-based SSD storage, subject to confirmation, and an integrated Intel UHD Graphics 630 graphics processor that shares system memory. Connectivity includes 4 Thunderbolt 3, USB-C connector, ports, 2 USB 3.1 ports, an HDMI 2.0 port, Gigabit Ethernet, configurable 10-10 Gigabit Ethernet at the time of system purchase, 802.11 AC Wi-Fi 802.11 BGN compatible, Bluetooth 5.0, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Compared to its ancient predecessor, this model looks similar apart from its dark space gray color, but it has a vastly more advanced processor and system architecture in addition to more modern connectivity. It also has upgradable RAM, but not upgradable storage. All Mac Mini systems are configured by default without a display, keyboard, or mouse, but numerous Apple and third-party options are available. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. More than 1,200 Apple product-related videos. Thank you for viewing, subscribing, sharing and liking.